Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith, and today we're going to talk about Charmed Aroma, and in particular their Harry Potter candles. So I placed an order, I think it was the 9th of December, they're in America, and obviously I'm here in Britain. It was shipped on the 11th, and today we are the 23rd. And so here it has arrived quite quickly, really, when you think about it. So I ordered one candle that I know about, and I ordered a surprise. So let's have a look and check these things out. Okay, so the one that I ordered is this. It's the Mirror of Erised candle, which just as soon as I saw it on their webpage, I just had to have it, you know. The shipping, by the way, if you're buying from the UK, I think it was 14 quid. Let's see if I can get into here. Here we go. All right, it is well packaged with polystyrene. Okay, wow. Right, so this is what you're seeing. Hey, it smells really nice, kind of fruity. Not entirely sure what flavour that is. Let's get it out of the bottom packaging. Oh, it's in two parts by the look. Okay, so it's quite tricky getting it out, and I don't think it's supposed to be in two parts, because if you have a look at this, this is the back. You can see the glue line where it was supposed to be attached to this, and it fits thusly. So that's fine. All I need to do is get some glue out and just repair it. It smells amazing, no doubt. I'll tell you what the scents are in a second, and I'll show you a close-up view of this one. All right, let's have a look at the surprise. Okay, so you could buy, I think it was 10 quid or $10, I'm not sure which. You could buy a surprise candle. I figured it might be this one because it's their cheapest one, obviously. Okay, they don't take any chances with the packaging, let me tell you. Okay, so we've got a wizard hat, very cool. And here's the actual base. Oh, it's a trinket dish, it's not a candle. Okay. Oh, that is really cute. I love it. Harry Potter on one side, and then Hogwarts crest on the other. That is really super sweet. Okay, let me show you close-ups and we'll talk about price. Okay, so this Mirror of Erised candle is $49.99, and it comes with the scent, I think, is sweet vanilla, something like that. Sweet vanilla, tangerine and champagne. So that's cool. And once you've finished burning it, there will be a limited edition Mirror of Erised necklace inside, which I'm really, looking forward to. But I don't want to burn this right now. I'll save it for Christmas, and yeah, I love that. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Well pleased with it. Beautiful thing just by itself. Even when I've finished using the candle, I can use it for another candle or whatever, anything really. Don't look at the dirty fingerprints on it. It looks like this might have been in their stock for quite some time. The fact that it's come broken like that. Never mind. So this is the surprise jar. This was $9.99, and I am really chuffed with that. I absolutely love the hat. It's so cute. There's even little patches on it. There's the ribbon around it. Super nice. I'll have it showing the Hogwarts crest side, I think. And again, you could use this for a candle or just as a trinket dish for bits and bobs, which is probably what I'll end up doing. All right then, I will update this video in due course and let you know which necklace I got, because that's exciting. I can't wait. And I'll call that the end of this wee video. I will be certainly going back to Charmed Aroma, because since I bought these items, some new things have arrived. So yeah, I'll likely be putting my hand in my pocket to them again. All right, that's it. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.